What do you think of this one?
By Jupiter, that is a glorious profile shot. Post it immediately.
Look, the data clearly indicates the main hall is here, near the reefs, if we use the submersible.
Where are we going? This screen is too bright.
Just follow the blue arrow, old man.
Order confirmed. Drone dispatching in T-minus 60 seconds. Thanks for the shields, Bjorn. Yes, the sea is rough today. We're about to make landfall. Wish us luck.
Sir, the critics are raving about this new historical drama. It is most fitting.
Did the lions enjoy it too, Lucius? Play the comedy.
Pulling away, fueled by the roar of the crowd. What an incredible race we are witnessing today in the stadium. We are falling behind schedule. Reroute the heavy lifters to the southeast face immediately.
The terrain favor us here. Send the light infantry around the flank.
It is done, General. The holographic projection confirms the route.
My Lord Father had this velvet imported from Italy. The detail on this ruff alone took ages.
And that is why we raid south, for the silver and the stories.
But the Saxons fight fiercely when defending their homes.
Excuse me, is that the Samurai Eats delivery?
Indeed! Please tap here for confirmation.
Finally, just set them down right there. I simply cannot wait to try these sandals.
As you wish, Your Highness.
Yes! We crush them!
Well fought, brother. Victory is ours.
Greetings from the arena. For maximum gains, you must embrace the struggle. See this boulder and conquer. And the comments are rolling in. Steady now.
By the stars, I felt that. We struck gold, Captain.
Yes, the treasure is ours.
The only true wisdom consists of knowing that you know absolutely nothing. Embrace this, and you embrace the path to greatness.
It is a stable connection now, yes. Though I must say, your choice of attire is truly barbaric.
See, Captain, I told you the blockchain was sound. We're rich.
Aye. To the moon, lads!
Sire, the Eastern Front is exposed.
Just a moment, General. I'm busy liking this portrait of my dog.